We've all been there, right? The bell's about to ring and your classroom looks like a tornado just swept through. But fear not, amigos. I've got some killer strategies that'll turn your chaos into order in no time. First up, let's talk about the 5-minute frenzy. It's simple. Set a timer for 5 minutes, crank up some upbeat tunes, nothing gets people moving like a little rhythm, and challenge your students to tidy up as much as they can before the timer dings. Make it a game. Maybe even keep a scoreboard for the week. Students love a little competition, and you'll be amazed at how much can be accomplished in those 5 power-packed minutes. Next, let's dive into the world of bins and labels. This one's a game changer, folks. Invest in some colorful bins and label them. One for markers, one for scissors. You get the idea. This not only makes cleanup faster, but also teaches your students the invaluable skill of organization. When everything has a designated home, cleanup becomes a no-brainer. Encourage your students to take pride in maintaining the system. Maybe even appoint a bin boss each week to oversee the organization. Trust me, a little responsibility goes a long way. And here's a pro tip, the last man standing trick. At the end of the day, pick one item, say a crumpled piece of paper, and announce that whoever picks it up and disposes of it properly will be the day's hero. You'll be surprised how quickly students jump into the action for that little moment of glory. It's all about creating a culture where everyone pitches in and even the smallest actions are recognized and appreciated. So there you have it. Quick, effective, and fun ways to keep your classroom in tip-top shape. Remember, a clean classroom is productive classroom. And hey, why not share your success with the world? Snap a before and after photo and throw it up on your socials. And if you haven't taken our CI Proficiency quiz yet, what are you waiting for? Take it now at mm.us/CI quiz. Happy comprehensible input!